everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today, me and Phoebe, we are going to transform into a unicorn. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing ponytail. It's really easy to do. So let's get started. Okay, so all we're going to do is place the hair into a high ponytail, quite on top of the head. That's where you want the hair to sit. So I'm just going to use a little bit of wax spray just to help tame the flyaways. So that is our nice high pony in. Next we're going to turn this into a little bun. So any way you want to do this, but you want the bun to be nice and tight because it's going to support that unicorn hair coming out of it. So I'm just going to do a little twist. So literally just breaking the pony in two and then just twisting that together. So I'm just going to wind this bun around nice and tight, and then we're just going to pin this into place. These are optional. We just got some little sort of sticker gems, and we're just going to place just a few because she is a unicorn after all, so we do need to make sure that she's got lots of sparkle. Let's do one maybe here, and then we're also just going to experiment with a little bit of glitter as well. So you can just kind of decide where you want this to sit. So this is the hair that I used for the unicorn ponytail. Now this is from Amazon. It's called Synthetic Stretched Hair, and we went for like a sparkly one. So you're going to take a strand of this hair. You can make it thinner if you want or thicker. I'm just going to place that there for a moment. You're going to take an ordinary hair tie, an ordinary bobble, and you're just going to pull that hair through like so. And then going to take this, and you don't have to have one of these, you can just do it off here or hang it up. I'm just going to stretch that out slightly like so. So you're going to take your synthetic hair and double it over like that. And then you're going to break this into three. And then you're going to start a regular braid, so just going over, nice and tight, and that's going to lock that hair onto that hair tie. Now, you can decide what you want to do with this piece of hair. So I'm going to do you lots of examples here of everything that you can do going down. So you can do a regular 3-strand. Or you can do a bubble braid. So I'm going to stop there and put in a hair elastic. So a bubble braid is just going to be placing a hair tie just a few inches or 1.5 inches down, and then holding onto the bottom and just working all the way around. You can even sometimes go into the centre and push up like that. So that is your bubble. You can also do something similar, but it does look a little bit different than just a regular bubble. So you're going to place a hair tie again, just a little bit down, put that elastic in there. Then you're going to split that through the middle and just bring this tail through. And just kind of hold on to the bottom again, and you're going to tease this outwards, and it almost gives the illusion of like a bubble fishtail, but it just looks a little bit different than your regular bubble. You could also try an infinity braid if you wanted to. So just dividing the hair into two, taking a small section, taking it over, under this one, over, under, over, under, adding a little piece into it, and just keep figure of eighting that piece of hair around, adding in where you feel like you need to. So as I take this over now, it's gone a little bit thin, so I'm just going to add a little piece and continue. I'm going to do another bubble. You could also do a regular fishtail. So just little sections passing over and just being placed onto the opposite side. So little section on the right gets placed to the left, little section on the left gets placed to the right. Looks similar to the infinity, but just a little bit softer. So you can really mix up what you want to do. You could literally keep it simple and just do bubbles. In my ponytail, I've actually done a few where I haven't even braided it. I've just left it with a little bit of a braid at the top and then the rest just the hair down, just to make sure that the ponytail looks really full. You could leave that like that, or you can do a little bit of teasing out if you want to. And then I'm just going to finish this strand off with another flip through one. So this is just an example of all the different things you can do. It's completely up to you. This one takes the longest, but I pre-made all these and put them in the ponytail, but this is just an example of the different styles that you can put in. So as you can see from what I showed you with that sort of sample piece, is I've kind of mixed these up. So some bits are just the straight bits, some of like the little twisties, some of the little bubble braids, or just like a regular braid here. And we've got a fishtail braid, and we've even got infinity braid. So you can just mix this up whatever you choose to do. You can just do the straight hair if you want to. So the way we're going to do this is, so I'm just going to flip this hair over so the bobble is like that. And I'm going to place this over the bun, and I'm going to wrap it once around the bun. And then we're just going to take this hair and flip it back over. So I want this hair to come to the side. So all I'm going to do is just take a hair grip, push it through, and just push that in there. And then the last finishing little touch is going to be obviously our unicorn horn. And then this hair is going to fall that side of it like so. And there we have it. What do you think? It looks so cute and you all love it. And this hair's really light as well, so it's not going to be like pulling at them. I'm going to do a little spin for you. So you can see that it's all kind of just pinned on that side there. You can go to town with the glitter if you want to. But that is our finished unicorn look. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.